In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Onedrive not syncing issues. If you're like many people who rely on OneDrive to keep your files seamlessly synchronized across multiple devices, encountering syncing problems can truly disrupt your workflow. But don't worry, in just a few easy steps, we'll have things back to normal. First, it's important to check your internet connection, as poor connectivity is often the culprit behind these syncing issues. Make sure you're connected to a stable network and that there aren't any interruptions. If you're experiencing network problems, try restarting your router or switching to a different network, if possible. Ensuring a reliable connection is crucial because OneDrive needs to smoothly send and receive data. Next, let's ensure that OneDrive is running correctly. Look for the OneDrive cloud icon in your system tray or menu bar. If it's not present, there may be a problem with the application. You can try restarting OneDrive by exiting the app completely and then reopening it. This often helps resolve minor glitches that could be preventing your files from syncing properly. Another step is to verify that you're using the latest version of the OneDrive application. Software updates frequently include fixes for known issues, and running an outdated version might be the reason why you're experiencing problems. Head over to the Microsoft website or your device's App Store to check for any updates, and proceed to download and install them if there are newer versions available. It's also important to check the OneDrive settings to ensure everything is properly set up. Open the OneDrive application, go to the Settings or Preferences menu, and double-check your syncing settings. Make sure you haven't accidentally paused syncing, and that your account is logged in correctly. Forgetting these steps might sound simple, but they're common mistakes that can lead to syncing challenges. Now, let's take a look at your storage. If your OneDrive is full, it won't be able to sync new files. Visit your OneDrive account settings and explore the storage details. If you've run out of space, consider removing unnecessary files or upgrading to a plan with more storage. This can help alleviate space shortages that might be compounding the syncing problems. Finally, if you've tried all these solutions and OneDrive is still not cooperating, consider unlinking and relinking your account. To do this, go to the OneDrive settings, choose the option to unlink your account, and then sign back in. This essentially resets the connection between your device and the OneDrive service, which can help get things back on track. These steps should guide you through resolving most of the common OneDrive syncing issues. With a bit of patience and troubleshooting, you'll likely have your files syncing smoothly again. Thank you for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below. We hope this helps get your OneDrive back in action.